The Santiago Bernabéu Stadium in Madrid has evolved from a traditional football venue into one of the most complex works of sports infrastructure and engineering on Earth. With a total cumulative investment exceeding 1.3 billion euros, Real Madrid executed an unprecedented structural transformation directly in the heart of the Spanish capital. Let's analyze how this colossal mega-project redefined the business model of global sports and deconstruct the technical engineering challenges required to operate a multi-purpose entertainment machine 365 days a year. If you appreciate in-depth analysis of sports architecture, stadium finance, and mega-construction projects, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Originally opened in 1947 in the Chamartín district, the Santiago Bernabéu has always been a major urban anchor embedded within a dense residential and commercial neighborhood in central Madrid. Unlike modern suburban arenas surrounded by vast surface parking lots and virgin land, the Bernabéu operates on an extremely constrained urban footprint, tightly bounded by heavy traffic arteries like the Paseo de la Castellana. This central location provides an extraordinary financial asset for spectator accessibility, but it imposed severe physical limitations for decades. The original structure boasted a standing capacity exceeding 100,000 spectators prior to modernizations in the 1980s and 90s, but compliance with UEFA safety regulations reduced capacity to approximately 84,000 seats. The central dilemma for the club was how to multiply commercial revenues without the physical ability to expand the stadium's ground footprint in the city. The architectural response was a complete structural overhaul driven by cutting-edge engineering. The most striking visual element is the new metallic exterior skin, composed of reflective stainless steel louvers arranged in dynamic diagonal bands. This metallic facade allows natural air circulation while projecting dynamic lighting and visual displays to the surrounding city. Over the seating bowl, engineers erected a massive retractable roof supported by two massive steel trusses, covering every seat in the venue and capable of closing in just 15 minutes. Inside the bowl, a 360-degree digital LED halo screen was suspended from the roof structure, delivering an immersive visual experience unprecedented in European football. However, the greatest engineering triumph of the entire project lies hidden 30 meters beneath the pitch. Known as the Hypogeum, this automated underground greenhouse cave was engineered by the Spanish firm Sener. To allow the stadium to host major international concerts, corporate conventions, and NFL games without destroying the natural grass, the playing field was divided into 6 longitudinal trays operated by hydraulic elevators and precision rail tracks. In just a few hours, the natural pitch is retracted into the subterranean cave and stacked in a climate-controlled chamber equipped with artificial LED grow lights, automated irrigation, and humidity controls. On the surface, a flat concrete floor emerges, completely ready for heavy event setups. From a financial standpoint, the capital structure developed for this project is as sophisticated as the engineering itself. Real Madrid funded the entire construction package through 100% private financing across 3 distinct loan tranches, totaling 1.347 billion euros. The initial loan tranche of 575 million euros was secured at a highly favorable fixed interest rate of 2.5% per year. Subsequent tranches funded expanded project scopes, including the retractable pitch system and expanded VIP hospitality lounges. The amortization plan schedules annual debt payments of approximately 60 million euros through the 1950s, a sum funded entirely by the new incremental revenues generated by the venue. The underlying commercial strategy transforms an asset that previously operated for just 25 match days per year into a year-round revenue engine. The club projects annual revenue to surpass 400 million euros from its stadium operations alone, driven by flagship retail stores, upscale dining establishments, interactive museum tours, and major event hosting partnerships with global private equity firms. This recurring revenue stream, decoupled from weekly match results, provides an unshakable financial shield against state-owned football clubs. The transformation of the Santiago Bernabéu sets a new global benchmark for sports infrastructure in established urban centers. By pairing cutting-edge engineering with long-term financial sustainability, the project proves how a historic stadium can reinvent itself as a 365-day economic catalyst. How do you view the impact of subterranean retractable pitch systems on the long-term economics of urban stadiums? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for our next deep dive investigation into global sports infrastructure.